Alright, we are now done with HCF, highest common factor. And now let's go on to LCM, lowest common multiple. Here is the lowest common multiple, LCM. So let's start with the numbers 12 and 18. So let's present it in index notation using prime factorization. So it's 12. Let's do 12. 12 is 12 divided by 2, 6, and 6 is 2 and 3. So we have 2 squared times 3 and 18. So 18 we have divided by 2 is 9 and 3, 3. So 2 times 3 squared. So for LCM, we take the largest number. Comparing it, take the larger one, put it here, and take the larger one and we put it here. So why lowest common multiple? Because numbers can go all the way up to infinity. So we're taking the lowest one. So we have this. Let's try this out. 2 times 2 is 4 and 3 times 3 is 9. So we have it as 36. So 12 times 3 is 36 and 18 times 2 is 36. So we have here the LCM is 36. Solve with me lowest common multiple practice question. Here we have LCM of 36 and 70. So first things first, let's present this in index notation using prime factorization. So we have 36. Right here we have 36. 2 divided by 2 is 18. And divide by 2 is 9. And we have 3, 3. So we have 2 2's and 2 3's. So now we have it. And let's do 70. So we have 70 here. Divide by 2, we have 35. And 35 is 5 and 7. There we go. So we have 2 times 5 times 7. So we have it right here. So let's compare them and find the LCM. So we have here is 2's. So when we have 2's, this is bigger. Let's put this in. And then we have 3. 3, nothing here, but we have 2 3's. Let's put this in. And we have 5 and 7. So here it is. Our LCM, pretty big numbers. If you have a calculator, you can key that in. If you're not allowed to use one, we can work this out. So 9 times 5 times 7. And let's do the easy way out. 4 times 5 is 20. So we have 20 times 9 times 7. And then we have 20 times 9. So 180 times 7. So let's do some quick math right here. 100 times 7 is 700. And now we have 8 times 7 is 56. And you add the 0 at the back because it's 80, not 8. So there we have it, 1260. This is the LCM of 36 and 70. Solve with me lowest common multiple question. So on a highway, bus stops are put at intervals of 315 meters and red flags are put every 525 meters. A red flag and a bus stop are put at the beginning of the highway. At what distance would we be able to find a red flag at the bus stop? So right here, we have this. I'm gonna draw this out. We have 315, so 315, and then we have 315, and we have 315, and so on. And then here we have 525 and another 525. So this is how to tell the difference between having an HCF question and an LCM question, because this 315, it carries on all the way until infinity, of course. No highways until infinity, but it just carries on theoretically. And this 525, it carries on until they coincide again at a certain distance. So let's present these two numbers in index notation using prime factorization. Have this here, 315, 315, and we have divide by 5 is 30, so it's 6, and 15, so it is 3. And we have 3, so it is 21, and 21 is 3 and 7. Alright, so let's do 3 and 5. And oh, there are 2 3s, 1 5 and 1 7. Now, let's do the 5 to 5. 5 to 5 right here. And we have 5, so it is 1. And it's 25, so it's 5. And we have 5, so it's 2, 21, and it is 3 and 7. So great, we have 3 and we have 2 5s and 1 7. So these two seems to be great buddies. So let's find the LCM. They start at the beginning of the highway and then they will coincide sometime later, which is the common multiple. So we have this 3 square. We take the biggest of the lot, and this is 1 7. Remember, it's 1 7 each. Don't put 7 square, that would be wrong. Just 1 7. Alright, here we have it. So we have this, it is 9 times 25 times 7. So if you have a calculator, you can just key this in. If not, we'll just work it out. So, yeah, 25 times table. So if you want to know the secret to the 25 times table, quick math. Here it is. Here's the video, and I will put the link in the description below. Please do like and subscribe. Do check that video out. The secret to the 25 times table. Okay, so if we have to work this out, I'm going to do this. 7 times 9 is 63, and it's 25. So what I'm going to do here is 60 plus 3 times 25. That will make 63 times 25. So, quick math. 6 times 25 is 150. Put the 0 at the back. And we have 3 times 25, so it's 75. And the answer is 1575. And that is your LCM. In this video, we did HCF, highest common factor, and LCM, lowest common multiple. Please do like and subscribe, and if you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section below. I'll see you in the next episode.